Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Shorbat Adas lentil soup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of red lentils, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and some fresh aromatics like onion, carrots, and garlic. Don't forget your essential spices such as cumin and turmeric, plus a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. This recipe is incredibly straightforward and yields a wonderfully comforting meal. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and carrots, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they soften. Next, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until fragrant. Finally, add your 1 cup of rinsed red lentils along with 1 teaspoon of cumin and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Once your lentils and spices are in, pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes until the lentils are very tender. For that classic creamy texture, use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Finish by seasoning with salt, pepper, and a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Your delicious Shorbat Adas is now ready to enjoy. Ladle the warm soup into bowls. For a beautiful finish, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley and a drizzle of good quality olive oil. If you like a little kick, a sprinkle of red pepper flakes adds a nice touch. This easy-to-make, nutritious, and flavorful lentil soup is perfect for any day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.